So you might get stuck on this Infiniti. Right now I'm working on Q50. Very critical to reset the oil light. Okay, so this is how to do it. So basically you're gonna see some videos on YouTube telling you to go to go over here to maintenance notes. No, this is not it. You have to go to the setting, okay, and then you go to meter. For meter you see maintenance, and then you will set your oil and filter and set to the specific whatever synthetic oil you used, and then this is the tire we're gonna reset it to, okay, and this is order we're gonna reset it, and after this reset your light should be gone. So don't forget you have to go to setting, not maintenance. Of course you have to do that one too, but that's the only thing I'm seeing online. So let's go ahead and start on the car. So it's gone. There's no service light coming again. So thank you guys for watching. Please try to subscribe. Oh, we have maintenance order here. So let's see what happened. So we go to setting, we go to meter. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, we go to setting, we go to meter, and then we select an order. What happened? I thought I resetted it. Don't show alert. Let's see. Oh yeah, here to show alert, no problem. Order. Show alert. Okay. Okay, so this should be gone now. Let's try. So guys, that's how to reset your service light. By this video is mostly for professional use. So if you're not a technician, it might be kind of somehow for you, because my the way I speak is not that clear. I have different accent, and I know so many people around the world watch my video. So you just have to follow the steps I took doing the video practices. Not just necessary what I'm saying. Thank you so much. Try to subscribe. It will help me a lot.